Well, hello there, guys. Has been a while. Sorry, guys, I was busy. Had many things on hand, and well, let's get started back on the bench. What you're seeing is actually something I've built like 2 years ago, and it was actually what gave me the idea to build the RMG. But this is actually Igor's TROS system, but a bit modified, using an almost depleted 12-volt battery. And so you have two switches here, because one is for the fan, the negative, and one's for the positive to activate the coil. I also use a variac with it, which is the mod, which is something I discovered, which is the extraordinary part. As you can see, this is the input wire of the variac. The output wire, I connect one line to the metal strip of the table, because the metal strip is connected to an earth wiring, which is outside. See that? Goes straight in earth. I have it on the metal of the table. There's a ground wire, goes onto a 25 microwave bulb. This is my high voltage wire, radiant cold electricity. Comes from here. It actually originates from this tiny wire. This, I guess it's 0. Let me see, 24 AVG, I guess. It's very thin, right? All this thin wire is coming out of the output coil inside the generator. This sorry, this is the negative wire of the generator. This is iron, not copper, as you can see. This is the enameled fan wire. As you can see, it's all inside wound like a Tesla coil, just like this. Then I have a pickup coil here, a black and a brown. They're interconnected here. Now, and uses a resistor for the base of the transistor, the 2N3055. The negative, positives, and the positive are right there. It's connected with the battery. And the negative of the generator is connected to the input of the variac, as you can see, and one high voltage line parallel connected with the variac. As you can see that goes, and interconnected right there. Here I can place these capacitors, which amplifies the it amplifies actually the load. Okay, enough talk. Now let me show you guys what's what. So we're gonna start the fan. Fan started. Now turn on the system. That's 25 watts on an almost drained battery. This battery cannot work on a car, and this is producing that massive amount of energy. Now we know the high voltage line and the negative line of the generator is parallel connected somehow with the variac. So when I switch on the variac, and the variac is connected with the capacitor on the ground. Look what it does with the light when I flip it on. Turns it brighter. Now I'm turning it off. It raises lumens. Now to amplify it even more, we place a capacitor right in between the two, and see that? It amplifies it, so it's freaking wicked. Now the dialer is on 0. The moment I raise it, it does nothing. It stays the same. But if I switch the wire to the other side right here, if I dial it up, it will actually dim the light instead of raising the intensity. It's just weird. It works like backwards. But it's quite interesting. So Igor, I hope you're enjoying this. This is actually your system, but a bit modified. Oh yeah, inside of it, I'm actually using ferrite pieces of old transformers. So, oops, sorry about that zoom. I'm using these parts, ferrite material, inside the Tesla coil. So as you can see, they're inside. And right here, these two lines are also high voltage. I cannot put a meter on them because it reads error and above 2000 volts. And I'm barefoot again. Look, I'm gonna be lighting a halogen bulb, as you can see, 21 watts. Let me get the other hand to make it easier for you guys to see. Connect it to the black. Black is the north, the brown is the south. And voila. That's freaking bright. And that stays on while turning on these.